Welcome one and all to our cocktail of weird, wild, raw, and last but not least, let's not forget, of course, amazing ideas. So if you have been watching Non-Academic, if you are a participant, or if you watched our introduction series, you would know what the Thought Diary is all about. But in case you don't, let me refresh your memory. So the Thought Diary is where each week Non-Academic encourages its participants to come up with a unique thought. Don't worry, it's not just out of the blue. We do give them specific guidelines to go off of from. And if you check out my next video, we have requested Mr. Arnav to be our Thought Diary host, where he does a roundup of all the unique thoughts we had in that meeting during that week. But while doing this, we ran into a problem, a dilemma. So we do understand that after a while, it will be hard to understand whose unique thought was whose. This is exactly why we are requesting all of our participants to come up with a piece of paper, a diary, or a pretty little journal where they write down all of their unique thoughts. And whenever you have time, make sure you go back and look at them and perhaps develop a couple of those ideas, because you never know when your next unique thought turns into your next great successful startup. And if that's not the case, well, not a problem there, because you could always publish a book called My Thought Diary and make your college application or resume stand out of the crowd. Perhaps a bestseller? I know, you're probably really bored of me right now, but not a problem, because now I'm going to let you take a deep dive in our Thought Diary. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!